In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable edge lighting on your OnePlus Nord CE6. Now, edge lighting is a feature that when enabled, the edges light up when you receive notifications or even calls. So to enable that, simply go into settings and then select home screen, lock screen and style. Then you want to scroll down and find the more option, tap on more, and here you should see edge lighting. So tap on edge lighting. And as you can see, currently it's set to blue. So if it's set to that, that means that it's off. And to enable it, you can either select blue. As you can see how it works right there. You can select red, or you can select yellow, gold, just like that. So select the option that you want to enable edge lighting, and you'll see a preview of it right there. And to turn it off, simply select that option to turn it off, just like that. That's basically how to enable or how to disable edge lighting on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Like and subscribe, questions and comments down below. Until the next video, take care and God bless.